everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another video on me cleaning my room. Really seemed to like my first cleaning video, and that video really inspired me to try to keep my room clean. Sorry I look like death, I just don't feel like putting makeup on. On a serious note, real fast, I have kind of hit a really bad wave of depression lately, so when I go through those waves of depression that I get, my room turns into this. That's not an excuse to have a dirty room, but a lot of people don't understand that when someone is going through something such as depression or whatever, when I'm in my room, I don't feel like cleaning. I just want to lay in my bed and feel sorry for myself. So when I get really sad or really depressed, my room turns into this just huge mess that I don't know how to control. And the only way that I know how to help with the way I'm feeling is to clean it. So that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean my room again. You're going to watch me clean it, and I'm going to rearrange some things in my room as well, because I am getting a new bed in this video, because this video is sponsored by LOL, which I'm very excited about. I've always wanted to be sponsored by them. I'm very excited to get my new bed and put it in here and take out my old one, which is actually my grandma's bed, but we'll get to that later. So I am gonna go get my coffee, and then we're gonna come back and we're just gonna start cleaning this mess. So I have my coffee and 2 bags, one for trash, one for donation. I also wanted to say it real fast, in my first cleaning video, everybody was saying that my room is just a cluttered mess because of my bookshelves. I collect books. Every single book on my bookshelf will be read or has been read multiple times. I like collecting physical books, so this is not a cluttered mess to me. My books make me extremely happy, so I will not get rid of them. I also have a reading channel, I'll put the link for it down below. So I guess first I'm just gonna show you what my room looks like. When you walk in, here is what this big pile of mess. There's my extremely messy bed. Closet's not that bad. And then my shelves, which I think are pretty organized and I'm not doing anything with. All of these clothes are clean as well. I just did the laundry and put it on my floor and just never put them up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Perfect. My cat is sitting in my dirty clothes in the hallway. Ziggy, you comfy? The room is semi-clean now. I just have some stuff in the corner. The floor's clean. Now I just gotta take my old mattress out and put my new one in. My mom just had back surgery, so she can't really help me too much to pull the mattress out. So we shall see if I can do this by myself. This was what was beside my bed. So now I've got to get all of this up, and then I'm going to vacuum and bring in my new mattress. Oh, this feels like I'm literally sleeping on a cloud. This is amazing. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Lol, who sent me this amazing luxury memory foam mattress. I love it so much. It's the most comfortable mattress I have ever laid on. These memory foam luxury mattresses are normally way over $1,000 and super expensive, but this one's a full size and I believe it's under $900. So that is a really good price for a luxury memory foam mattress. I obviously don't have a box spring, and it's so comfortable even just lying on the floor. I don't feel like I'm laying on the floor at all because this is so fluffy and comfortable. As most of you guys know, I'm trying to move out of my parents' house at the end of this year, beginning of next year, and one of the big purchases that I needed to make was buying a new mattress because, as you guys saw, my old mattress was really small and it was actually my grandma's, so I needed a mattress, and this one is absolutely perfect. The Lowell mattress does come with free shipping, so all you have to do is pay for the mattress and that's it. You also have a 100-night trial, so you have 100 nights to try out the bed, and if you don't like it, then you can return it for free. You don't have to pay to return the mattress. It's completely free. It was extremely easy to set up this mattress, as you guys saw. I'm a 120-pound girl, and I was able to pull it up the stairs and do this all by myself. It was super easy. You just unroll it and do it, and you guys could see how fast this expanded. And in the next 48 hours, it's actually going to get a little bit bigger than this. So if you guys are interested in getting your very own memory foam luxury mattress, then just check out my link down below and you can get $150 off the mattress, guys. That is so much to get off your mattress. So if you're interested, click the link down below. Okay guys, I'm officially done cleaning and redoing my room. So let me show you. So we walk in and here is what it looks like. It does give me less floor room when I put my bed this way instead of keeping it to this side, but I do like it better just because this bed is bigger and the cords everywhere. It doesn't look as good with the cords hanging everywhere, but I need to charge my laptop. So yeah, this is what it looks like. My room is clean. I love my new bed so much, so thank you Lowell so much for sending me this amazing mattress that I needed so much, and I'm debating on if I should just go ahead and buy like my headboard and everything like that, but I think that I'll just leave a little bit of space left in my room, so I'm not sure yet. Here's what my cart looks like. I need to clean my fish tanks, but that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my room again. If you guys like these types of videos, then definitely comment down below and let me know. Having my room clean like this makes me feel so much better mental health wise, and I urge, if you're feeling the same way that I am and you're going through like this depression, a wave of depression, or you are sad and your room looks the way mine did, I urge you to clean. I promise it will make you feel a little bit better. Even if it doesn't make you feel tons better, I hope it will just a little bit. Follow me on my social media if you guys would like to. I do a lot of like behind the scenes type stuff on my Instagram and Twitter. And I have a PO box if any of you guys would like to send me anything. I've gotten a couple letters and I absolutely love them. So if you guys would like to send me a letter, package drawing, then you can send them to my PO box. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.